for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie? 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 Hello. Are you ready to make some art?
Good day, little artists.
Are you ready to draw a balloon? I know you love balloons. Let's go.
Look down, Betty. We got a great view. Let's help the kid figure out what to do.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Okay, let's get to creating. We're going to draw a classic balloon shape. So we do a curve on the left and come down a little bit at the top and all the way down the right side. Very nice. Sort of an upside down egg. Now, as this is a birthday balloon, we're going to put a hat on him. So Artie made the shape there for the bottom of the hat. And then we're going to go up left and right and make a little cone-shaped hat. Let's do some ribbons on the top of the hat. A little bow made from ribbons. Now, what next? Let's do some diagonal stripes inside the hat. Very nice, Artie. Now let's do a big oval-shaped eye. And inside that oval, we'll do a much smaller oval and we'll shade that in black. Now we'll do another oval alongside. But this time we're going to put the little oval, the pupil, higher up. And that way the balloon's going to look a little bit crazy and cross-eyed. Let's definitely do some eyebrows. Draw a triangle and shade it in black.
Can you tell what it's going to be, Mikey?
It's a birthday balloon, Betty. Here's another triangle eyebrow. And now it's time for a nice big smiley mouth. Let's also do a tongue. Should we have a little break? A shape break? Okay, let's do it.
Well, hello, little artists, and welcome to today's shape break. I'm Louie, and I'm going to teach you about this shape right here. Do you know what it is? No, it's not a circle, but it's kind of made from a circle, really. It's called an oval. Some people call it an ellipse. Ellipse or oval. I prefer oval. And it's made basically by getting a circle and squashing it into the shape. You see, it's a squashed circle, really. Now, let's think of some things that are this shaped. Well, we've got an egg. Egg is oval. American football, where, let's see, that's this one here. That's an oval shape. Perhaps watermelon here. That's also oval. And a balloon. I do like balloons. What did the balloon say to his friend? He said, "I'm the king of pop." Get it? Because balloons pop. Okay, never mind. I'm a balloonatic. Balloonatic. Anyway, oval. Okay. Is it time for a break?
Oh, Louie, your jokes are so bad. Come on, Artie, let's get back on with the drawing. Let's do the bottom of the balloon, the part where you blow into. great. And how about a ribbon tied to the bottom of the balloon hanging down? Oh, that looks great. Let's do a little arm and a hand. That's right. 1, 2, 3. 3 little fingers. And another hand on the left. 1, 2, 3 little fingers. And an arm. Very good, Artie. Really good. Now Artie's drawing a bow. But why would there be a bow? Oh, I know. Artie's going to draw a gift. A birthday gift. A nice gift-wrapped box with a bow on the top. Connect the bottom lines to complete the box. Very nice. Now let's wrap some ribbon around the outside of the box. Someone's getting a nice birthday gift. Oh, what are you drawing now, Artie? Oh, I know. Some streamers. You can't have birthday balloons without birthday streamers. Wow, this is really turning into a big birthday celebration. It's really a shame this is just a drawing, Artie, because it's not my birthday, it's not your birthday, it's not even Betty or Mikey's birthday. Perhaps it's Louie's. Are you finished? Well, it looks really good, Artie. But I think it needs some colour. Let's colour it in. Finished! You did a fantastic job, Artie. Really nice colours. Well done. The stripy hat is the exact same colours as your shirt.
See you again next time.
Perhaps it's your birthday soon, little artist, and you can have a birthday balloon and a gift-wrapped present. We'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.